Hi! In front of me is POCO C50 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this POCO smartphone. You need to begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access passwords and security. Now tap on screen lock option and select the best option for you from the list of available ones: pattern, pin or password. When you're ready, click on the best one, wait 5 seconds and just got it in the pop-up. Now you need to create your login method and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then hit confirm at the bottom right corner. And if you want to add your fingerprint right away by selecting add in this pop-up, you can also just tap on cancel. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!